Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing homemade slimes versus store-bought slimes. So, typically it's just, which one's better? Which one would you prefer? And please excuse the outfit. It's just what I got in my Christmas haul that I didn't mention on my Christmas haul video. So go and check that out. Just excuse. But the first, we're going to be starting off with a homemade slime. This is a foam bead slime. It stretches. And it smells really good. That's because I added scent. And I will mention all the things that I added in the description down below if I can. But it's super good. I love it. And it's so stretchy. Let's see the slime swirl. So cool. So cool. So cool. Okay. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, I think this is a win. Okay, so the next slime is the store-bought slime. And I'm starting off with the pink one. So, the pink one is stretchy. It doesn't have any foam beads, so say it's a win on one. Then squishy, 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 squishy. Really popping. I haven't even did anything that special yet. And slime swirl. It's so good. It just won't hold it. That's because it doesn't have any foam beads in it. It doesn't rip in my hands when I squeeze it. And it's pretty stretchy. So I'll give this a thumbs up for the store slime right now. It's actually a little bit better than the homemade slime. So, next homemade slime is this clear one. It's actually not that clear yet. I've made this recently, but it's pretty clear. So it's not that stretchy. It rips. Yeah, it rips because it hasn't sat in a long time. And it smells pretty good, like, to be honest, but it rips a lot, which it's not good. Next one is the, what's this called? I don't even know what it's called. I forgot what this is called. Jelly cube slime. This is, whoa, did you just see that? Okay. It literally stayed in place. Now listen. It's so good. Let's see. This is a homemade slime. It's so good. So it's only good for that. It doesn't stretch or anything. It's only meant for that, as you could say. So, let's see this orange store-bought slime. Okay, it's pretty squishy. Let's get more. And it rips when I try to take it out. It breaks in my hand. Like if I squeeze it, it'll break. And that's pretty weird. So I don't think that's a good sign. It doesn't stretch at all. Like, not even if you try to do it slowly. It just gets all over it. And literally, look. Look how bad that was. It's so bad. I don't like this slime. So I give the other slime at least a better thing with that one. So let's move on to one of my clay slimes that totally spilled. Well, not really necessarily spilled. It's so stretchy. And so, like clay slimes are usually, and they poke good, and everything. So it's really good. I like it. Really good slime, stretches, and everything. Moving on to this pink slime. Whoa. It's clear, like super clear. Oh my gosh. Look how, I call this slime pixie dust because it looks like pixie dust, literally. And I made a blue one and it didn't turn out so good because I think like the pink one was meant to be pixie dust. But other than that, this was pretty good. Like, I love it. And it stretches. I see a slime swirl. I didn't do a slime swirl. Well, I did, but still, I don't think so. Okay. Slime swirl wasn't so great. I mean, it isn't so great. Like, but other than that, it's super good. So let's skip on to that. Back to move on to the purple store-bought slime that they made. Let's see. Okay. It's super good. I love it. And honestly, I like the pixie dust one better because I think the pixie dust is prettier and everything. So I think the store-bought slime this is super good, but the pixie dust one, like, it's really good. So like, I have a friend, if you go check her slime review out, she has the same thing as me, and the orange one turns out to be the best one, and the purple one turns out to be the worst one, and the pink one turns out to be the middle of the worst and the goodest. So some slimes are different. You just have to be lucky to get what you like. Right now, the pink one that I have is in first place. This is in the middle, and the orange one is last because it rips without even like doing anything. It literally just rips, and I don't like that. I don't like rippy slime. I'm pretty sure none of you guys like it either. So this video is getting too long, so we're just gonna end it short here. So, what I think won was obviously the homemade, but I recommend this too, even though, like, you can get it. I mean, like, it depends which ones you get. So I advise you guys to go to the craft store at Michael's and get these. I believe they come in different colors too. Not sponsored, but still. Okay. Love you guys so much. Love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and comment down below what do you want me to do next. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.